actually go through, select a community. So if you wanted to select George and you wanted to contact Judy, you could actually message Judy from this messenger and check in on her and see how she is doing. How are you? I'm going to send, and there we go. And now Judy in her app will actually receive this message. See here, from Comfort Care, and it'll be in here. And you'll see it who it's from right at the top here. And so Judy can actually come in here. I am doing well. Thank you. And so Judy can send this right back to us, and then we know that Judy is doing well, which is very good. When we do end up with a lot of messages in here, which you might if you have a lot of clients or you have a lot of communities, you can then filter by communities, or you could filter by names. You could do a group chat if you're wanting to do more than one person. This is a very versatile feature. You can also do here upload an image or a video. We're going to be able to upload documents in here. So it's a very universal feature that you can use for whatever your needs may be. Another great feature is the survey feature. The survey feature is another wonderful, versatile feature that you could come in and you could create any kind of feature that you would like. Say if you were looking for family satisfaction. And just to measure, how your families are doing and check in with them, even around the new year. How is your family doing stress-wise? Or how are you enjoying, the courses? Did you find value in them? You could get them to answer by a text, a multiple choice, or even a scale from 1 to 5. You can add multiple questions. It's super easy, super fun. These are all automatically anonymous. If you were wanting to get the names of the individual who's answering these questions, I would ask, please write your name, and just ask for the name. And then that way they can fill in their name, and then you will be able to get that. So if you're to save this survey under family satisfaction, the beautiful part is it hasn't been shared with anyone, but if you wanted to start adding communities or people, you can actually go in here and you can share with communities. Or you can share with all the communities, or you can share individually. It's very user friendly. So I sent it to George's community. So if you were to go into George's community, you're going to see that we're in Comfort Care. We're just going to bounce right back out into our own community. And we're going to pop up here, and we're going to see in the notifications that we have a survey available. So you just hop in here. You're going to click on the survey. It takes a few minutes to populate. A few minutes, hopefully not a few minutes, but definitely a couple seconds. You know what? My family's doing okay. And here is my name. Survey. Done and done. And so now you see somebody's going to click the survey. You can show individually, so you can go through. If you have a lot of people answering, you can see who's answered and where they're at, or you can keep it completely anonymous. It's very user-friendly. I accidentally added a question in there without actually putting a third question in, but you get the picture. And the best part is, about this one, is you can actually go back and continue sending out the survey. So we've shared the survey with George Smith, but if you wanted to go through and use that same survey and share it with more people, you can just keep adding them in here. And you'll be able to see who you've sent it to, how many surveys have been taken, and just measure all the metrics from there. So it's a really fun resource, a really fun tool to get to know your communities and people a little bit better. So we've had surveys, resources, messages, In here you have the journal feature that we've gone over. So the best part about this CRM is it's really user-friendly. So when you click into your communities, you can go right here directly into your community and you can send that specific community everything you need to send them right up here using all of these wonderful little features that you can send directly to them. Or if you were to look over here on the left-hand side, going all the way down, you can actually go and send out all of these wonderful features directly to all of your communities all at once. So you're not having to go into every single individual community. You can send out an announcement to the entire group. So if you wanted to come in here and make a happy holiday announcement, from the team at Comfort Care, be safe. We'll just do a practice and post it, and it automatically gets sent out to everyone. So if you need to go into the community, you have it right here, be safe from Comfort Care. It is sent to all of the communities. It is sent to George's community. If you switch up into here into Comfort Care, it will be in Comfort Care's community as well. So it's a really easy way to hit all of your communities all at once. So keep in mind, all of the left-hand features you can send to all of the communities. And then if you want to go into specific communities, please keep in mind you can do that right here by clicking on them and then send it directly to your communities. All right, and the other fun thing, if you did want to look at, say the events feature, if you go into calendar, and you wanted to see, who is coming to the Christmas Eve virtual sing-along, you can come in here and you can see Callie and Judy are already signed up and they are going to come and sing with us on Christmas Eve, and we are so excited about this. So that is a great way to kind of see, the engagement on your, events that you're sharing. If you're wanting to take a look at your task lists over here that you've sent out. I actually haven't sent out any tasks to any of these, communities all at once, but I do know that I did send out specifically to Comfort Care Dementia. So I can come into my task list and I can see exactly, who I've assigned and who's done what and taken what and those types of things. So this is a great way, again, just to keep, on top of things. This is a great opportunity if you wanted to do social prescribing, to send out maybe a client of yours specifically. If you wanted to send Judy Danes, a suggestion for maybe George to go to like a swim group, or maybe he's really enjoying like music, so you want to set him up with music therapy, but you want them to do it a few times before your next meetup. This would be a great way for you to set up a task list for them to do some certain things before you guys meet up with them at your next appointment. If you're wanting to create an appointment, you can do that in here as well. You just click appointment and it'll show up as an appointment in the calendar. So you can just do, again, specific guests if you're wanting to do it with multiple people or just one. Very user-friendly. Same with the event. If you click on an event, you can select event, create the event name. Do you want it to be all day or not? Do you want it to have a specific time? Maybe we want to set it for 2024 in January, mid-month. We're gonna, set up and we're going to have a dinner, perhaps, with a big group of people. We have a dinner party. Dinner party sounds fun. So let's make it a public event. Let's add a reminder. And where is this going to be? Well, let's do that at Canadian Brew House. So you would select right from your list of where exactly. I'm in Edmonton, so showing the Edmonton option. And what are the details? Bring a guest and join us for a wonderful dinner. And then you can add an event link. So if this was an online event, you can actually add your Zoom link right into this event, which is really exciting. And then you would save it, and believe it or not, now it is going to be set right there. There's our dinner with just the event name, but this is our dinner event. That's a great way to set up an event or an appointment. Notes, if you're wanting to add notes, you can write in here that Judy, well, this is a comfort care dementia. You can say that keep track of our SVP, and we will discuss next later. Or maybe you want to discuss, how people really liked, these events that you planned. You can set out the survey. This is a great way for administrators to kind of keep notes on this particular community. Again, you can post to your social events. It's all in here. Surveys. So, yeah.